Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send disappearing photo on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the messenger icon on the top right, and then you need to select any conversation, and then you need to click on the camera and take a picture. And here in the left bottom corner you will find the option allow replay, keep in chat, view once. When it is view once, you simply need to click on send. So now it is sent. When that person see this picture will be automatically deleted. So this is a process by which you can send a disappearing photo on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.